Welcome to my bathroom, and I was about to say welcome to a masterclass in dermaplaning, but that would be a stretch. So instead, I'm going to give you an enthusiast's insight into a love of dermaplaning. I discovered it last year. Started, rather than plucking my eyebrows, I started to dermaplane them. And now I've been trialing this. Where is it? Where is it? There it is. The Hollywood Smoother. This is one tool that kind of does everything in terms of dermaplaning on your face. You can shape your eyebrows, you can remove that peachy fuzz that your makeup hangs off of sometimes, and also remove all kind of old debris and dead skin cells. Sexy, huh? And this is how you do it, right? So easy, even I can't get it wrong. Switch it on. Use a mitt to remove any debris, making sure that you're always returning with a nice clean device to put on your skin. Make sure your skin is freshly cleansed and you're not wearing any makeup, like me. Frightening, I know. And then this is how we dermaplane. Hold the skin tight, move at a 45-degree angle down. Voila. Peach fuzz, I get it here. Don't know about you girls. Go like this. What happens once you've removed this? Not only are you getting rid of all those old skin cells, dead skin cells, but you're also creating a brilliant base and foundation for your skin products, your moisturizers, your toners, whatever it is that you use and swear by, to work a little bit harder and penetrate deeper. And then your makeup will also sit in a way that's far more flawless on top of that as well. And I've really noticed a difference, certainly when I've been working on camera. So there you go. The Hollywood Smoother does it all. Enjoy.